M01-L01 is the mental model lesson. The goal is not to turn people into engineers. It's to give legal professionals a clean, durable way to understand what AI is doing so they can use it confidently, safely, and effectively. AI, in the way most people encounter it today, is not a magical legal brain. It's closer to a very sophisticated language engine that predicts what should come next in a sequence based on patterns it learned from huge amounts of text. That single idea explains almost everything you need to know: why it can produce beautifully structured writing in seconds, and why it can also produce something that looks official, sounds authoritative, and is still wrong. The fastest way to get AI is to stop thinking of it as a person and start thinking of it as a high-speed drafting assistant. It's excellent at turning rough inputs into polished outputs, reorganizing a messy narrative into a clean timeline, summarizing a long document into digestible sections, generating a first-pass email to a client, creating intake questions, or building a checklist that looks like you spent an hour on it. In other words, AI is strong at language tasks where the value is structure, clarity, and speed. But legal practice is not only language, it's judgment, accountability, and verification. And this is where people get into trouble. They confuse AI's confidence with correctness. AI can sound certain because it is optimized to produce fluent text, not because it is optimized to be right. If you've ever read an AI answer and thought, "This is written like it has a law degree," that's the point. It's trained to produce plausible legal style language. Plausible is not the same as accurate. This is also why citations are a special danger zone. AI is very good at formatting legal citations, using the right punctuation, and generating case names that feel real. Unfortunately, it can also hallucinate, which is the polite industry term for confidently making things up. A hallucinated citation is not a minor error. In law, it's a professional and reputational risk. The correct posture is simple. AI can draft, but it cannot be the final authority. It can suggest sources, but it cannot be your cite checker. If a citation matters, it gets verified the old-fashioned way: reliable databases, primary sources, and real human oversight. A useful way to frame it is, AI is not a truth machine. It's a probability machine. It predicts what text is likely to follow your prompt. When your prompt is clear and bounded, AI tends to look brilliant. When your prompt is vague or asks for facts and authority without guardrails, AI can produce something that is elegant nonsense. This is not because it's evil or lazy. It's because its job is to generate the most plausible continuation, not to guarantee factual truth in the way legal work demands. So what should a modern lawyer do with AI? Use it where it's strongest. Accelerate drafting and synthesis. Compress time-consuming reading, and organize information into structures you can work with. Think first draft, issue map, argument outline, client-friendly explanation, document summary, discovery question sets, chronology builder. These are high-leverage use cases where AI speed is valuable and the risk is manageable because you're still reviewing and controlling the final product. At the same time, be explicit about what AI must not do alone. Final legal conclusions, unverified citations, jurisdiction-specific assertions without checking, and anything involving privileged or confidential details unless you have a governance-approved workflow. Artificial intelligence does not understand privilege. It does not know your firm's confidentiality obligations. It does not hold your professional responsibility. You do. In practice, this means you treat AI output as work product that requires supervision, like a very fast junior assistant who drafts confidently and occasionally invents a case to impress you. If you want one simple test to anchor the lesson, it's this: AI is best used as an accelerator of your thinking, not a replacement for your thinking. The modern advantage is not "I used AI." The modern advantage is "I used AI and I controlled it." You set constraints, you ask for structure, you demand sources, you verify, you edit, you own the outcome. That's the theme of M01-L01. AI is a powerful tool for legal professionals. When you treat it like a tool, the moment you treat it like an authority, it becomes a liability with excellent grammar.